Friday, YouTubers. Here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And we got Thanksgiving coming up in a few days. Black Friday sales are going on now. Cyber Monday also. Here we go. Let's see what this is. Oh. For my good friends over at SofaBaton. U2. Not the band, but we got the universal remote control. Oh, this is a nice one. You can program all your TVs, probably Blu-rays and whatnot. Definitely gonna pop this open. And like I said, all you gotta do is just click the link. Check it out. You can download the app. There's an app for it on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. So, there we go. So you might want to, maybe this would be a good stocking stuffer to give somebody. There we go. Very nice. I think this is similar to the other one. This might be the upgraded model. Ooh. It's nice. Ooh, got batteries. It has some weight to it. Not too bad though. Got a trackball here. I like this. It has a nice grip for your fingers. My hand's not that big. Alright, there we go. Now let's turn this thing on. Definitely excited. And like I said, all you gotta do is just click that link. Thank you guys for sending me this unit. And we could just set it up. Pretty sure it's on all TVs. And two. Oops. Come on. Back. There we go. Ooh. Connection to the Save app. The SofaBaton app. Alright, let me get the tablet. Alright guys, this is what the app's going to look like when you download it. You're going to select your device, the U series or the X series. This big one is a U series. So you just click on that, allow, and then you got to pair it. All you got to do is press these two buttons. That is a 0 or the E and a minus. Right here, this one and this one. There we go, it's pairing. Connect. Add a device. Now I gotta update the firmware. Give it a second, it should take a few seconds. Okay, keep the phone close to the remote. Do not turn off the Bluetooth. Alright, there it goes. It's moving. Put you guys on pause. Here we go. Firmware is just about complete. It's updating the last second or two. Any second. Internet's fine, so it should take a second. There we go. I did that though. Connect. Add. Search. There's all the TV cable boxes and everything. I think I got a Roku. Or no, TCL. TCL. Oh, man. Do not remember what number. So you can do DVD player, Xbox, TV remote. Next. Complete. And it's going to download the code for it. So hopefully I got the right one. Download it. But I think if you pull up your info in the About section in your TV, it should pull up the model number and stuff. So oh no, mine worked. All right, watch this. Boom. Turning off. Boom. Turning it on. So that was really easy. And I could circle through HDMI. Home. I think it's 1. Maybe number 2. I forget which ones I put it under. And maybe the arc. It's one of these. I'm gonna have to figure out which one it is. Like I said, I got so many different ones listed. Okay, go that one. Two. Well, there you go. So, I mean, everything works with this remote. Easy to set up. And definitely check them out. SofaBaton. SofaBaton. I think that's how you pronounce it. Really cool. All right, YouTubers, check them out. Be safe. Have a good night.